Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in GitHub. This is a great way to make the interface more comfortable, especially when you're working for extended periods. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look at the left sidebar and click on Appearance. This section allows you to customize how GitHub looks. Now, find the Theme Mode section. Here, you'll see different theme options for controlling the appearance of GitHub. Under the Light Theme options, select Dark Default. GitHub will immediately switch the interface to a darker color scheme. You can also scroll down to the Dark Theme section to explore additional dark mode variations. Select the theme you prefer to customize the appearance of your GitHub interface. And that's how to enable dark mode in GitHub. Thanks for watching.